What is happening, you guys? I got a special presentation for y'all today. This is kind of a double whammy video. This is testing out the Kodak Play Sport, which is a fairly old camera, but I just found mine and finally got it working. But also, I want to unbox this monstrosity of a box, which has something very special inside of it that I've wanted for a long time. The Philips CDI. At least it should, as long as the guy on eBay didn't screw me over. Alright, so let's get through some of this monstrous taping and let's take it from there. Alright, so I finally got through all the tape. Let's open this up and see what we got. We got some newspaper. De Telegraaf Amsterdam. That's what I'm talking about. That's the whole reason I wanted this. No, I'm completely kidding. I bought this from Amsterdam, so it's just going to be a bunch of Amsterdam papers. Awesome. Oh man, the covers come off the controller. There's what the controller looks like. See what it takes. It takes AA batteries, which he has some in here. Hopefully they are not corroding the crap out of this controller. They appear to be okay. We'll see if they work. Yeah. Okay. So there's the controller. Up, down, left, right, blah 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 blah. Play, pause, all that good stuff. We have the power cable, which, as I said, it's from Amsterdam. I live in Arkansas. This cable won't do, but has the same connection as the PS3, the PS1, the PS4, so I'm good to go on that one because I got tons of those cables. So we'll basically just throw that away. We'll pull out the honkin' machine here. Look at that. Look at that thing. It's massive. Oh my gosh. Whew. 80s engineering at its finest, ladies and gentlemen. Set that on the floor here. See if there's anything else in this box. There shouldn't be. Yeah, that's just it. Just some tape. Hey! There's the cover of the controller. It is broken though. So there we go. Look at that. Good as new. Not really. Falls off. Whatever. Ugh. So here we have our Philips CDI. New. So here it is booted up on my TV. As you can see, it is the Philips Compact Disc Interactive. So it can play CDIs, which are CD interactive discs. You can play CD interactive discs. Move the mouse over here to info. Play CD interactive discs, CD audio, digital audio discs, and photo CD discs. I do not have any CDI discs currently. This is the first thing that came in. I do hope to get some pretty soon and let you see how that all goes down. But I do have some CD digital audio discs. Well, I guess more specifically, my wife has some CD audio discs. Let's see if it can in fact play a CD. Nothing seems to be happening. Well, I guess I can go ahead and set the date while I'm waiting.